Hello everybody, Toby here again with 216 Auto Restoration, 1976 Pontiac Firebird, Trans Am 455 4-speed car. Basically today I got all the block sanding done the other day on my last videos, and yesterday I got the car all taped off, rolled into the booth with the little assistance from my wife. Not much taping to do, just basically tape the inside of the trunk area where I'd already painted. Taped all of that off in here. I'll show you reverse taping when I'm done. Getting this paint laid on here. I'm going to paint it today. It's looking really good. Nice and straight. Got the hood on and fairly adjusted. Got to move back just a little bit so we get sprayed in here. On this area, down in there, that area along here, and basically taped off the dash area and the steering wheel, whatnot inside the vehicle. So ready to paint, and I'll paint the door jambs in here. Do all that at the same time as I paint the outside of the vehicle. But getting ready to spray the paint here in a little bit. I'm gonna put the sealer on here in a few minutes. I'm gonna go mix some sealer up, and yeah, should be about ready to spray here in a few minutes. I think I showed you videos already of how I mix my sealer and my paints, so I don't think I'll go over that. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this up and get it ready to spray, and hope you follow along here. So I'm gonna go ahead and film myself while I'm spraying it, like I did when I did the hood and the trunk area and stuff. So bear with me for a few minutes, and I'll be back in just a few minutes. Thanks everybody, take care.